How to make valances? That's what I'm sharing about today, and we're getting started right now. Hi, I'm Kim Ward, Realtor in San Diego, California, and I've been helping executors, administrators, and trustees for over 15 years. I like to soft stage my clients' homes. What does that mean? It means making a home look more appealing to buyers. So I had a house that had windows that I wanted to soften up, and I wanted to put valances up. I looked on Amazon, everything had flowers on it. That's not what I wanted for this particular home, so I took a trip over to Target and purchased some cafe curtains. So this video is going to show you how to quickly turn cafe curtains into valances. To be notified of my weekly videos, just hit the bell button. Also subscribe, and if you like this video, just hit like, and I always love to see comments. If you have a question, I'd love to answer it. Here's a quick fix. I need valances for a property, so I went and I bought curtains at Target that are already curtains. They're 36-inch curtains. I'm going to turn them easily into 4 valances, and I'll show you how. My plan is to use this side to go into the rod, and also to use this bottom side which is already sewn closed, but I'm going to use a seam ripper to open it up. And now this will fit onto the rod. What I'm gonna do is measure these and cut them in half. So they're really 35 inches. So I will measure 17 and a half inches, and then I will be turning these into valances. So I'm looking for 17 and a half inches. And typically a valance is about 18 inches. But I'm pretty sure we can get away with making it a little bit shorter. So I imagine you can see where I'm going with this, to just cut this in half. And then when I put the bottom seam into it, I'm just gonna barely turn it under. No one will ever know. Then in a very short period of time, we'll have 4 valances that can be installed. I happen to be using this for staging, because that's what I do for my clients, is, stage their houses so that, buyers like the way they look. One more pin and then I'll start my cutting. So the other thing that I did is I went to Ross. I tend to shop at either Ross or TJ Maxx, and I purchased rods, curtain rods, and some of them are as inexpensive, like that I might be using with these at $8 for a 48-inch or so curtain rod, and some of them are up to like $16. So see, all I'm going to do is turn this under. I'm not even going to turn it over twice. I'm just going to turn it under about ½ inch, sew it up, make sure both sides of this are open. So then when I put these all together on the rod, they'll look pretty darn good. Since I'm using these for staging, things don't need to be perfect. I'm going to be using these in a kitchen. What they will do is, soften up the kitchen. Okay, so as you can see, all I'm going to have to do is run, the sewing machine over this, and then I have a really cute valance to use in my client's home. So I'm going to do this one, and then I have 2 more, because at Target this came in a 2-pack of 36-inch, I think they call them cafe curtains, and it was less than $20. So when you think about that, that's 4 valances at $5 a piece, and maybe an hour of my time. I had planned on sewing this, but my daughter gave me this heat and bond stuff, and again, this is a quick fix. This is what I'm doing to stage a home. So you just put the pieces on here. This tape goes under here, and then you just use the iron, press for 3 seconds at a time, and that will bond this seam. So now I have the finished product. Put it on an inexpensive curtain rod. Now I'm going to climb up here. And installing this, pretty simple. Had my boys put up the rod, and now we have pretty curtains, making this home feel even homier to our future buyer. I hope you found this of value. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Leave me a comment, and of course, if you want to be notified of my weekly videos, hit the bell button. Thank you for watching.